Now, before understanding what is endocrine system, we must understand what is hormone or what are hormones. So, hormones are basically chemical substances. They are some chemicals which regulate the growth and functioning of a body or a tissue or an organ. So, these are hormones are chemical substances. They regulate the functioning of our body, they regulate the growth of our body, you can say, or of tissue or some organs, you can say. So what actually another name we can use for hormones is they are chemical messengers. Okay, they supply the messages or carry the messages in form of its chemical. So they are in the form of a chemical. So these are chemical messengers of the body. These hormones are secreted in very small quantities. You must remember that. These hormones are not secreted in large amounts, they are secreted in very small quantities. So now to understand what is endocrine system, these hormones which are secreted by endocrine glands. So basically endocrine glands and plus hormones will give you endocrine system. Endocrine system is a system responsible for the growth and proper functioning of our body mediated by hormones. So what organs secrete hormones? These are endocrine glands. So endocrine glands and hormones together will constitute the endocrine system. So there are now various endocrine glands in our body, but you have to study some limited glands. The main endocrine glands present in our body are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries which are present in women, and testes which are present in men. So here pituitary gland and all we will study one by one. This page and this page, you have to by heart each and everything from this table. This table is very important. All the questions that will be asked in test or exams will majorly come from this table. So the first gland, the first gland in our syllabus is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is pea-sized. Pea-sized means size of a pea. Also called as master gland. Pituitary gland is called as master gland because it regulates the activities of all the other glands that you will study. This is the master and these are the slaves for him, for the pituitary gland. Clear? Then first of all, which gland we are studying, then we'll study its location, then the hormone which it secretes, and then the function of that hormone. So pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. At the base of the brain, here you can see pituitary gland, small pea-sized structure which is located at the base of the brain. Then pituitary gland secretes mainly three hormones: growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, and gonad stimulating hormone. See, growth hormone, if it is secreted in adequate levels, then we will have our proper growth. But if it is secreted in large amounts, if the growth hormone is secreted in large amounts, then there will be overgrowth of our body and will look more tall than the average person. So that condition is known as gigantism. Excessive secretion of growth hormone makes a person very tall. Then you might have seen some dwarfs, or we say that bona, we use that word. So that all is because the growth hormone is secreted in very less amounts. So that condition is known as dwarfism. Dwarf is the Hindi word for dwarf is bona. So here dwarfism, it occurs because of less secretion of growth hormone in children. Growth hormone basically regulates the growth of muscles, bones and tissues. Thyroid stimulating hormone stimulates the production of thyroxine. Gonad stimulating hormone stimulates the production of hormones from ovaries and testes. So basically this hormone is regulating the activity of other hormones, thyroxine hormone, gonad hormones, and it is regulating our growth. So first one, pituitary gland, is complete.